With a rich history of innovation, Bernina introduces the E16 Pro, the new leader in multi-needle embroidery, setting the bar with 16 needles and up to 1,400 stitches per minute. The efficiency and ease of use of the E16 Pro is unmatched. Our new 10.1-inch high-definition touch panel puts control at your fingertips, allowing you to set up your design, perfectly position, make color selections, and see the status of your stitch out. Built into every E16 Pro is our patented ActiFeed technology that allows for simple, stress-free operation without manual tension adjustments. Just input fabric type and hoop size, and ActiFeed will handle the rest. Race ahead of your competition with blazing fast embroidery, up to 1,400 stitches per minute. Laser alignment takes the guesswork out of design positioning and allows you to preview placement. We've designed the E16 Pro to handle all of your embroidery needs, large and small. Easily slide baby items, t-shirts, pockets, or tote bags over the narrow cylindrical arm to embroider without opening seams or deconstructing the item prior to embroidering. And you can take on the largest projects with an extra large field embroidery area. The E16 Pro is engineered for discerning embroiders who expect the best from their multi-needle embroidery machine. Whether you use your E16 Pro to express your creativity or to expand your business, we are here to support you with onboard helpful guides to on-demand mastery classes that you can access 24/7. You can confidently create the best with the Bernina E16 Pro. Bernina, made to create.